Epson's philosophy is at the core of our product design, along with candid feedback from users across the globe to develop solutions that improve efficiency and have a positive impact. Today, we're pleased to introduce our latest garment print solution, the new SureColor F2270 hybrid print system. An evolutionary step forward in efficiency, faithfully bringing a designer's idea to real life in an amazing t-shirt the first time they print. By reducing print complexities, errors, and misprints, the new SureColor F2270 greatly reduces costly waste and frees a designer to create more and grow their business. Here to take a closer look at this incredible print solution is Paul.
Let's see this hybrid printer in action, starting with a print on digital transfer film. Hybrid capability means that this solution can print onto digital transfer film as well as directly onto a garment. The printer control buttons are easily accessible, and a large touchscreen display shows all relevant print information. Interior lighting and a clear viewing window make it possible to watch as the magic of garment printing takes place. Digital transfer on film is great for embellishing synthetic clothing as well as unusual shaped items like hats and shoes. When using digital transfer film is suitable, print only what you need on the film sheet, reducing costly material waste. Next, we'll print directly onto a shirt. Loading a shirt on the printer is a breeze with the included hanger-style platen. The hanger helps make aligning the shirt quick and easy. You may have noticed that we did not need to make any adjustments to the platen height when changing from printing film to printing onto a shirt. This is made possible by an Epson exclusive feature called garment thickness optimization. As the shirt enters the printer, a profile map of the garment is created. The printhead will automatically adjust the height for optimal results. It's like autofocus for shirts. Having a hybrid print system offers the best of both worlds. Directly printing onto the garment produces an amazing hand feel, great for premium fashion tees. Designs can fade seamlessly into the shirt for enhanced breathability. To tell us more about the technology inside, here's Tim.
Versatility and performance are only meaningful if you can consistently produce sellable quality output. At the heart of the F2270 is a new PrecisionCore printhead with nozzle verification technology. This advanced head technology enables the printer to be self-aware and take corrective action to maintain high print quality in the event of an issue, such as a lint fiber blocking a nozzle. Should a cleaning be necessary, the printer will optimize the cleaning cycle automatically to save you time and reduce waste. Designed in conjunction with the printhead is our new UltraChrome DG2 inks, delivering vibrant color with exceptional clarity and opaque whites. These large 800 milliliter ink packs mean less time spent changing inks. Now, to share how Epson is simplifying the print process, here's Paul.
A reliable printer that makes great prints each time is just part of the process. The workflow process of transforming an idea into a product should be flexible and work for you. Our latest print software, Garment Creator 2, is designed for high ease of use on both Macs and PCs. Compared to prior generation software, Garment Creator 2 features 4 times the processing resolution and is significantly faster at rendering. With job streaming, the printer can start while the print data is still being transmitted, saving time. To keep on top of your print operations, the print can connect to Epson Cloud Solution Port, a cloud-based operational reporting system. This allows you to remotely monitor your printer's status, productivity, and even includes job accounting. An optional device called the Epson SD10 takes the guesswork out of color accuracy. With this device, it is easy to measure a physical item and capture the color value. The color rendering can be synchronized with Epson Cloud Solution Port and then imported directly into Adobe Illustrator design software. This helps reduce differences between the designer's idea and the physical shirt that is printed, saving time and avoiding costly reprints. Keeping a printer up and running in optimal condition requires maintenance. With the SureColor F2270, much of the maintenance is automated so that you can focus on running your business. Should there be an issue, Epson is there to support you with toll-free phone support and 1 year of typical next-day on-site service that can be extended up to 5 years of coverage.
So that's the new SureColor F2270, a versatile, purpose-built system that seamlessly produces great results on t-shirts and digital transfers.